The tech world is buzzing with excitement as Samsung prepares to unveil its latest Galaxy S26 series in early 2026. Packed with cutting-edge features and premium designs, this series is expected to redefine the smartphone experience. Among the lineup, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is set to steal the spotlight. Initially rumored to feature an under-display camera, new leaks from Korea have shaken things up. Let's dive into the juicy details. Galaxy S26 Ultra under-display camera rumors debunked. Early leaks had suggested that the Galaxy S26 Ultra would feature an under-display camera, a technology already seen in Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold lineup. This innovation promised a seamless all-screen experience, raising anticipation among tech enthusiasts. However, the latest reports now claim that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will retain the familiar punch-hole camera setup. According to insiders, Samsung attempted to implement the under-display camera but faced technical challenges and high costs, making it impractical for their flagship slab-style smartphone. While disappointing for some, the punch-hole design still ensures excellent camera quality without compromising display aesthetics. Galaxy S25 Edge, a May 2025 launch confirmed. Switching gears, let's talk about the Galaxy S25 Edge, which is all set to hit the markets in May 2025. Prominent tipster Ice Universe has revealed that Samsung plans to introduce this device in China and South Korea during the initial launch phase. Although earlier leaks hinted at an April 15 launch date, more recent information has confirmed a new date, May 13. The Galaxy S25 Edge was also showcased at MWC 2025, giving fans a sneak peek of what's to come. For those unfamiliar, the Galaxy S25 Edge will be the fourth addition to the S25 series, bringing the power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC under its hood. Reports suggest that this device will be positioned as a premium offering, both in terms of pricing and features. While global availability remains uncertain, its launch in key Asian markets has already created quite a buzz. The road ahead for Samsung with the Galaxy S26 Ultra introducing refined design and performance upgrades, and the Galaxy S25 Edge bridging premium features with cutting-edge technology, Samsung continues to solidify its position as an industry leader. Whether you're excited about the S26 series or curious about the S25 Edge, one thing is clear: 2025 and 2026 are shaping up to be thrilling years for Samsung enthusiasts. Make sure to subscribe to Touch Trove for all the latest updates, leaks, and news on your favorite tech brands. Hit the like button and share your thoughts on these exciting launches in the comments below.